Fitment -1 pair LED taillights for Jeep Gladiator JT 2020-2021. Note: just fit JT that stock taillights are halogen. Multifunctional Jeep Gladiator JT tail lights assembly. It can be used as tail light, turn signal light, brake light, backup reverse light and running light. Full LED light brings brighter lights than halogen, providing outstanding illumination and driving safety. Upgraded your Jeep Gladiator JT LED rear brake light smoke lens increase cool sports elements, providing smoked appearance and giving your Wrangler an entirely new look. You'll stand out on the road by changing the factory taillights with the stylish LED taillights. High-quality Gladiator JT LED stop lights heavy-duty housings are made of superior OEM Grade ABS plastic. Waterproof well-sealed cover prevents rains leaking into the light. Safety and performance ensured. Quick installation, easy installation, pre-install load resistor to anti-flicker. Need to use plastic bracket from original tail lights. Usually in 10 minutes or less, no drilling required, no external wiring required. Top reviews from the United States. Love the look. I've been doing blackout on all lights, and these look great as a complement to this.